tie rod end here is a bit loose, and I thought, we haven't done a tie rod end actually on the vehicle, have we? So I thought, well, why not just have a bit of a video. So what I've done is I've sprayed it with a bit of a deepy creep. That stuff, obviously it's not named after me. I've done that joke before, but I thought it's always a good one. I've undone the clamp and moved it back, tapped it back on the shaft, and then with one of these, a hammer, we're going to knock everything to the floor. So what we're doing is we're sort of stretching the threads a little bit and hoping that that penetrating oil might get sucked in the crack and things like that. Probably won't, knowing my luck. So the next thing, we're going to put a socket on and undo this nut, and then we'll bash it off. You know, Curtis has been outside, left my gun outside in the cold. Could be nice. There we go. That's one of those lock nuts on there. Let me go and try and see where he's put my big hammer. Curtis is outside changing his tyres. He's got every tool imaginable out there. So, let's give this a smell. Ta-da! That came out alright. Next, will this unscrew? This is a right hand thread on here. Oh, look at that, look at that. Doesn't it? I love it when it goes on video and it comes off nice, because sometimes you struggle for ages and ages and ages trying to get that, to get these off, but that's come off really nice. Obviously they put no penetrating oil, no thread guard on there. That was a nice easy job, wasn't it? Oh, don't you love it when it's easy? And you can see how the penetrating oil sort of got itself into there. It's a very strange tie rod end. I've never seen one with a dimple on there, but this is very loose. In fact, look at it. You can't hear it. Kaput. Now. Oh, he's got me. He's got all my thread guard. I'll go and get some thread guard and we'll put this tie rod on. Here we go. Thread guard. Give it a good coat, because now's the time to do it, rather than waiting for it to get all rusty. Now, well, you can see this is a one with a grease nipple. Oh, that word, a grease nipple on it. So what we're going to do for this is we're going to screw it in and we're going to measure between the points, just like we did once before. And set the length right. The threads are a bit tight. Again, I'm just wondering whether I should get my tap out and just tap that in. Do you know something? That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to tap it out. I've got one, I might as well justify it. So I just tapped it out and there was a little bit of mush in it. Not too bad. But you can see how easy it goes back on again. Funny how it came off really easy, eh? That's how it should go. Now, what we're going to do is just temporarily pop that into there, and then we're going to get a tape measure and measure the distance, 924 millimeters between here and the centre. I think I've got one over here actually. We've already done one once before. And I'll show you what we're sort of rambling on about. From the centre of here to this pin, 924 millimeters, that's your start point, and then you'll be fine. Alright, so let's get that done. So there we go. 924 millimeters. Clean your tap out. Tighten up the bolt, the nut underneath, and then again put your bolt next to the cutout, the slot, so it's square with the slot. So if I can explain. You've got a slot in the rod, so the bolt wants to go like that, close to it, and then it'll pinch up really nice. Next job on this is just to fill it with grease. That's it. Right, I hope you like that. That was just a quickie, but sometimes you get easy jobs.